Hey y'all, it's me, Aaliyah Donelle, and welcome to my channel, Aaliyah's World, where this is my world and you're just living in it. Today's video, I'll be talking about the art hole aesthetic, and yeah, let's get into the video. The art hole aesthetic is where creativity meets comfort, a perfect blend of art, nature, and individuality. Emerging on platforms like Tumblr, this style is all about self-expression and artistic pursuits. Now let's dive into what makes this aesthetic so inspiring. At its core, the art hole aesthetic is comfy, colorful, and full of personality. Think vintage finds, flower prints, overalls, crochet pieces, and chunky knitwear. Add in some graphic tees, berets, beanies, canvas sneakers, and Doc Martens, and you got the essentials. Now for the color palette, it's earthy tones like green, brown, and beige with pops of bright, fun hues, especially yellow. When it comes to makeup, it's all about keeping it fresh and fun. But one thing that you wouldn't want to do is overshadow the actual outfit. So opt for a dewy foundation, a bold eyeliner, graphic blush, and glossy lips. It will highlight your features without overshadowing your creativity. Now let's talk wardrobe staples. Build your collection with overalls, crochet tops, floral dresses, chunky knits, band tees, berets, and canvas sneakers. The goal is to look effortlessly creative. Here are some outfit ideas to inspire your next look. For a casual day, pair overalls with a graphic tee and canvas sneakers. Top it off with a beret for a touch of French flair. If you're feeling a little bit adventurous, mix a floral maxi dress with a chunky knit cardigan. Add Doc Martens for an edgy twist, perfect for exploring a vintage market or grabbing coffee with friends. And for a dressier occasion, pair a flowy maxi skirt with a statement crochet top and platform sandals. Layer on necklaces and bracelets for extra flair, ideal for a gallery opening or museum visit. For cozier days at home, a comfy tie-dye sweatsuit, a beret, and fuzzy slippers are all you need. Perfect for painting or crafting in total comfort. Thrift stores and vintage shops are absolute gold mines for the art hole aesthetic. And don't forget, layering textures and patterns is key to creating that effortless, artsy vibe. To complete the look, focus on your beauty routine. Go for a dewy foundation, bold blush in shades of pink or peach, graphic eyeliner, and glossy lips. For hair, loose waves, braids, or buns work beautifully. Accessories like headbands, bandanas, and statement earrings add the perfect touch of personality. The perfect touch! The art hole aesthetic is about more than just fashion. It's a celebration of creativity, individuality, and self-expression. So don't be afraid to personalize it with your own artistic flair. And if you want to emulate the art hole aesthetic, come back and watch this video as many times as needed. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next video. Bye!
Gucci, Balenci, rockin' that Fendi designer, got plenty. Drippin' in Louis and Jimmy. No, don't try to run up, got the 30 stick with me. Shoot in the store, we gon' shoot on my side. Shoot in the lot, we gon' shoot out the ride. He not a shooter, he closing his eyes. Put him in sleep with the tears in her eyes.